Welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to turn on notifications for the location sharing reminder on the Instagram app when using your PC. With recent updates, some settings have shifted around a bit, so if you've been struggling to find this option, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look down toward the bottom left corner. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A panel will pop up with several options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings where you can customize different features of your Instagram experience. Next, inside the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you control what alerts you receive and how you receive them. Once you're in Notifications, look for the option labeled Push Notifications. Click on it to open more detailed notification settings. Now scroll through the list until you find Location Sharing Reminder. This is the setting that controls whether Instagram reminds you about location sharing activity. To enable it, simply select On. As soon as you do this, the feature will be activated, and you'll start receiving reminders related to location sharing when applicable. And that's it. You've successfully turned on location sharing reminder notifications on Instagram using your PC. Keeping this setting enabled can help you stay more aware of your privacy and how your location is being used within the app. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more quick guides like this so you can stay updated with the latest Instagram features.